today I'm gonna show you how to get a fun look that I love inspired by strawberries. And it will leave you fresh, glowy, and effortlessly sun-kissed. I started my look with SPF to protect my skin, and then I went in with the Luminous foundation just to even out my skin tone, and then next I go in with Mary Kay's translucent setting powder. Setting your foundation is an important step for your blush to just glide. Next I go in with Mary Kay's black eyeliner, and I just apply this under my lashes to help make them pop. Even when I don't do a full face of makeup, I always do my brows, basically like a natural facelift. Now to get that sun-kissed look, I go in with blush. I'm using a very vibrant, punchy blush to really just get that strawberry effect. This look is all about the blush. You really want this color to pop, so add a bunch of layers and as many as you need to make it really vibrant. Next is my favorite part, applying fake freckles. I go in with the brow tint, just doing the top of the brush, doing some dots, and then using my finger just to make more imprints and blend it out. Okay, I think I want to add more blush, so I'm going to go in and just tap it on the apples of my cheeks to make it pop. I'm loving how vibrant this is, and I'm so glad I did another layer. Next, I'm going to go in to finish the look with Mary Kay's lipstick and lip gloss. I feel confident, glowy, and just my best self because Mary Kay is all about being the best version of yourself.